Welcome back 40 Piners, and thanks for tuning in.
I can't live without you. I can't breathe without your love.
A quick recap: 23 litre fermenter with a lid and an airlock and an LCD thermometer, a wine thief, an 18-inch spoon, a 5 litre jug preferably, beer finings and a digital food thermometer. Another quick recap: a fermenter with just a plain lid, a siphon with a sediment trap, a siphon clip, brewing sugar and some digital kitchen scales.
I can't live without you.
Another quick recap: 45 swing top glass bottles per batch, a bottling stick or wand, a bottling drainer also known as a bottling tree, and a bottle rinser. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for future videos. Stay safe.